On the 12th class for account is for dissolution of partnership firm. Question number 5. PQR are in partners. Are partners and they are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1:1, and they decide to dissolve their firm on 31st/3/2018. The date on which their balance sheet stands as under balance sheet as of 31st March 2018, and liability side is given, that is creditors BP and loan from P. Who is P? P is a partner, so there is a loan from P that is given in the liability side. Reserve fund 8,000. Then here bank, stock, debtor, less provision. Now capital account PQR, that is there, and then investment, furniture, machinery, these all are there. The following additional information is given. Investment are taken by P at book value. P is a partner who is taking away the investment at the book value, and furniture is taken away by Q for 20,000. Creditors are paid off at discount of 5%. Other assets realized as stock at 80%. Debtors 65,000. Machinery at 30% less. Expenses of relation amounted to 2,000, and prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. So this is the question. In this question, first of all, we have to decide about the reserve fund that is to be distributed among all the partners, and then loan from P. If the capital account of P is having the debit balance, then loan from P will be transferred to capital account. Otherwise, we will make the loan from P as a separate account and we will make the payment from bank account. And then here debtors and provision both are given. Debtor is to be transferred to realization account at 88,000, and then provision is to be transferred to the realization account at 8,000. So debtor is the asset, so journal entry will be realization account debit to debtor. Provision for doubtful debts is the liability, so the entry will be provision for doubtful debts account debit to the realization account. Capital account of all the partners are given, and the credit balance is there. So credit balance of P will be definitely more than the debit balance, that is to be calculated even. So if the credit balance of capital account is more than debit balance, then loan from P will be transferred to that will be goes to the ledger account of loan from P, and there the payment will be made by the bank account. Investment taken over by P. If any partner is taking away the investment or liability, definitely that will go to realization account. If any partner is taken away, that they both two partners, they are taking away the investment or furniture, and then the value at which they are taking away the asset, like B is taking away the investment at book value, so that will go to the realization account and partners capital account. Entry will be that P's capital account debit to realization account, and here journal entry will be Q's capital account debit to furniture account. This entry is about 20,000, and P, for the P you have to show the investment that is at book value 40,000, that is given in the balance sheet. And then creditors paid off at discount of 5%. Assets are there, stock 80%, debtors 65,000, machinery 30% less. This is the expenses, nothing has been given, so that means the expenses of realization is paid by the firm and also bear by the firm here. Now while making the realization account, first of all we have to shift the asset side, all the asset on the debit side, all the liabilities on the credit side, except capital and except the loan. So loan from partner. So now the assets is to be transferred to the debit side of realization account. As you can see, stock 1,50,000, debtors 88,000, and there you can notice that two stock 1,50,000, debtors 88,000, and their investment 40,000, furniture 30,000, machinery 90,000, and it is there investment 40,000, furniture 30,000, machinery 90,000. Now the liabilities, creditors 80,000, BP 10,000, loan from P 20,000, that will not go to the realization account. Reserve fund also not go to the realization account, only the creditors and BP will go over there. On the credit side of realization account, we are having by BP 10,000, by provision for doubtful debts also 8,000, and then by creditors 80,000. That is the creditors, by creditors 80,000. It is to be transferred over there. Now you have to show the payments. Investment are to be taken away by P at book value. That is why we will write over there by P's capital account for investment 40,000, and by Q's capital account for furniture 20,000. So in relation account we will transfer capital account, and the same amount will transfer their capital account also, ledger accounts of their capital account. Now creditors were paid off at discount of 5%. So by bank account, creditors were paid off at 5%. Creditors were given there as 80,000. Now that has been paid. So the payment of creditor will be there, and the asset realized from the the amount realized from the asset will be there. So here you will shift all the book value, and there you will shift their realized value. There you will show the liabilities, and there you will show the payments for these liability. Again I'm saying assets are to be transferred to relation account debit side, and their amount realized by selling it off or by any other way, that is to be shown on the credit side. Liability is to be transferred to credit side, and the payment made for the liability will be shown on the debit side. That will be crisscross like now. There is a expenses, relation expenses to bank account, relation expenses 2000, that is to be paid. And now if nothing has been given for the payment of the liabilities, then even then we have to pay off the liability. So there that has been given in the question. The creditors were paid off at 5% discount. So 80,000 creditors are there, and then that payment over there to bank account creditors. So entry will be relation account debit to bank account. BP, nothing has been said for the BP. So but we have to pay the liability. Whatever liability given over there, we have to pay the liability. So to bank account BP 10,000. And here asset realized, if nothing has been given in the asset for the asset realization, then you will not show anything by bank account. So आपको अगर liability के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला गया तब भी आपको liability पे करनी है इस तरफ क्रेडिट साइड डेबिट साइड में, लेकिन अगर एसेट की रियलाइजेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला गया तो कुछ भी रियलाइज होकर नहीं आया, इसका मतलब यही मानना है. बट लायबिलिटी आपको पे करनी पड़ेगी, चाहे कुछ दिया है चाहे नहीं दिया है क्वेश्चन में. इस क्वेश्चन में स्टॉक गिवन है 1,80,000. वाई? बिकॉज स्टॉक इज एट 180%. सो वट एवर स्टॉक इज गिवन ओवर देयर, यू आर टू टेक द 80% ऑफ द अमाउंट, दैट इज 1,20,000 इज द 80% ऑफ 1,50,000. Debtor 65,000 and machinery 30% less. So machinery is given over there, that is 90,000, and you have to make the 30% less, that will be 63,000. This is the total amount that has been realized from the asset, that is 2,48,000. Now you have to calculate the profit and loss from the relation account. That will be, there is a loss because debit side is more than credit side, so that will represent loss. Loss is of 80,000. That will be distributed among P, Q, R in the ratio that is given 2:1:1, and then you have to equalize the ledger account. So this is the journal entry for asset to be transferred to relation account debit to asset, then liabilities account debit to realization. And when the amount has been realized, then entry will be you are getting the amount, so bank account debit here to realization account. And when the liability is to be paid off, then entry will be relation account debit to bank account. So for entering, you see that relation account is debit, and for when the asset has been realized, the relation account is credit. So entry will be cross. Here you will transfer the asset, and here you will transfer the amount realized from asset. Here you will transfer on the credit side, you will transfer the liability, and here you will transfer the amount paid for the liabilities. And whether it is given or not, if the liability is given over there on the credit side, you have to pay off the liability. But in the case of asset, if nothing has been given, then that means nothing has been realized from the asset. Suppose goodwill has been given over there, then you have to show goodwill as it is as the other asset. That is an intangible asset. You have to show the goodwill as it is on the debit side. If it has been said that goodwill has been realized, the amount of whatever be the amount given in the question, you have to show on the credit side of realization account. So and if nothing has been given regarding the goodwill, then you have to show only goodwill on the debit side, and you have to leave by bank account because nothing has been realized in the goodwill that is given in the question, that nothing has been realized. Now here suppose debtor and provision for doubtful debts is given, then debtor will be there with the full amount, and there you will show the provision for doubtful debts. And then if anything they said that debtor is to be realized at 50% less or likewise, then you have to calculate the amount on this 88,000, means the debtor which is before provision for doubtful debts. Now regarding loan from P, P is a partner, so that is a loan from P. You have to make the separate account, that is P's, and if the P's capital account credit balance, then you have to make the separate account. If loan from P is given in the question and P's capital account shows the debit balance, there you will show the debit balance, then you have to transfer this P's loan account to capital account. That entry will be P's loan account debit to P's capital account. But if the P's capital account show the credit balance, then entry will be loan from P account debit to bank account. Likewise, there the P's capital account is showing the credit balance, so loan from P by balance BD 20,000 and to bank account 20,000. That will be the ledger posting for loan from P. Now regarding partners capital account PQR, particulars PQR, you have to show the first of the balance by balance BD 2 lakh, 1 lakh, then 2,000. So this is the balances over there. If the current account is given in the question, then you have to show the current account also in the same partners capital account. So no need to show two accounts. You have to make only one account, partners capital account, and transfer the balance of current account. If debit balance is there, then transfer to debit side, or if the credit balance is there, transfer to the credit side. By with the name, suppose P's current account would be there, then you will show by P's current account or to P's current account likewise. That will be coming in the next questions also, but not in this question. P's current account is given. So reserve fund was given in the liability. Now reserve fund 8,000 is given over there, that you have to distribute among all the partner PQR. Relation account having the loss, so that is why relation account will be go to the debit side of partners capital account, that is to realization account 40,000, 20,000, 20,000, and then to realization account 40,000 because P has taken over investment, then Q has taken over the furniture, so to realization account 20,000. Now all the entries has been, all the ledger posting has been done. Now you have to balance the for P's capital account like 2 lakh plus 4,000, that 2 lakh 4,000 minus 40,000 minus 40,000, you will get 1 lakh 24,000, that is to bank account. This is the balancing figure which you have to shift to bank account. That means P's capital account debit to bank account. So you have to pay off the P, firm is paying off the P for the capital 1,21,000. Otherwise capital is used to be there in the question as it is, but now it is 1,24,000, which is the amount which is given to the P. Same for the Q, you have to balance the debit and credit side. 1,02,000 is the total of credit side for Q, and then that is the debit side for Q, that is 20,000, 40,000, and the balance will be 62,000. That means this is the amount which you have to pay to you, means firm has to pay to the Q. That the entry, the general posting will be to bank account. Now for R, that is the credit balance and this is the debit balance. So credit balance is more than debit balance, the entry will be by bank account with the balancing figure, like 20,000 minus 2,000 means 4,000, there will be 16,000. Entry will be their bank account debit to R's capital account. That means R is giving the cash for 16,000 and PQ and Q are paying off with 1,24,000 and 62,000. At last you have to make the bank account. Likewise, this is the bank account. First you have to show the opening balance, that is to balance BD given in the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Bank account is given 30,000, that you have to show here to balance BD 30,000. Then to R is that is bringing the cash, so to R's capital account 16,000. The posting is coming from this side likewise. And then P and Q, they are paying off with 1,24,000 and 62,000. Then by P's capital account, by Q's capital account, then P's loan account, that is to be paid off by P's loan account 20,000. And then the amount realized from the realization account means the amount realized for the selling of the asset, that is to be also transferred by realization account 86,000. This is a payment which is to be done in the bank account like creditors and BP, that is to be shown in the bank account. So that is a payment which is to be made out of bank account for creditors and BP, that is by relation account 86,000. And this is the relation expenses 2,000 by relation account, and there the amount realized from the asset, that is 2,48,000. Whichever is given in the relation account, 2,48,000 stock, debtor, machinery, the total is 2,48,000. By showing it 2,48,000, we are having the total of bank account. That total always match with each other. If it is not matched, that means there is some problem. No balance will be left. So total is 2,94,000, 2,94,000. Now the question ends. You have to make all these ledger accounts. Journal entries is to be asked, then you have to pass the journal entries also. Now in the sixth question, AB are partner sharing profit 2:1. Their balance sheet as follows: 31st March 2018. Sundry creditor, that you have to know, that you have to transfer to realization account. A's loan account, so that is a partner. If A's capital account is having debit balance, then you have to transfer this A's loan account to capital account. Otherwise, you have to make the separate account. General reserve, that is to be distributed among all the partner. A's and B's capital both are given on the liability side. Now the asset side, cash at bank, that will be you have to make at last a bank account. There you will show this balance on the debit side. Sundry debtors, 1,80,000 is to be transferred to relation account with full amount, and provision for doubtful debts will be transferred to relation account credit side with the 10,000. Now stock 2 lakh, that is to be transferred to relation account. Investment 1,50,000, plant and machinery 4 lakh, and there B's loan account is given on the debit side. Now what you have to do with the B's loan account? So B's capital is having a credit balance. Now B's loan account debit side, definitely it will go to the straight way go to the capital account. Again I'm saying B's loan account on the asset side is showing that the firm is B has to pay this 20,000 to the business and the firm. Here B has to collect all this amount from the firm at the time of dissolution of the firm. So B's loan account will be transferred to capital account. Like this is a B's loan account. This is the balance to balance BD debit side 20,000, and that will be transferred to capital account by B's capital account. I have transferred this amount to the B's capital account 20,000. and their partners capital account is to be made, and there I am showing B's loan account 20,000 on the debit side. Fine. So B's loan account debit side will always go to the capital account. But if you are talking about credit balance for the B's loan account, then that means if the partner's capital account is having debit balance, then we will transfer the B's loan account credit balance to the capital account. That you have to remember. Now after transferring the asset and liability, as I told you while discussing the items of asset, debtors 1,80,000. Here debtors are given 1,80,000. Then 2 lakh, investment 1,50,000, plant and machinery 4 lakh. There you have to transfer this debtors, stock, plant and machinery, investment. And now in the case of creditors, A's loan account, no, that is not to be transferred, but there 12% per annum is given, interest is given, general reserve is to be transferred to all the partners. So in the case of A's loan 12% per annum, what you have to see, partner decide to dissolve the firm on the above date. Asset and liabilities are realized as follows. Plant and machinery was taken over by A at 60% of book value. Investment were taken over by B at 120%. Stock creditors were paid off by giving stock at 75% of the book value and the balance in cash. And there the debtor realized 20% less of the amount due from them. A's loan was paid off with the interest of 6 months. So there that is given with the A's loan. You have to charge 6% interest. A's loan account definitely doesn't go to the relation account, but interest on this loan will always we will always show that interest in the relation account. And this is definitely the expenses for the business. That's why this is the interest we have to show over there. So interest on A's loan account will show relation account debit side because that is an expenses 3,000. A's loan account is given in the question 50,000. That is given in the question 50,000. 50,000 into 12 by 100, that will be of 4 whole year. That is 6,000, and then you have to take the only interest for the 6 month. So 6 month you will take the 3,000. Fine, 3,000 interest on loan for 6 months. That you are to showing over there, not A's loan account in the relation account. A's loan account will not go to the relation account. Now while preparing A's loan account by balance BD, that is given in the question, that is 50,000. Now you have to calculate the interest on A's loan 3,000 for 6 months. That is for 6 months. As per the interest given in the question, 12%, and now this will go to the bank account because that there you have to pay off the A's loan account with 53,000, and 3,000 you have to show here and in the relation account debit side also because that is an expenses. Now the question has been said that plant and machinery taken over by A at 60% of the book value. There you show the liabilities and assets like sundry creditors 11,000, provision for doubtful debts 10,000. Then A is taken over the 60% of the book value of plant and machinery. So you have to calculate 60% of the plant and machinery. That will be 60% of 4 lakh is 2,40,000. That is taken by A to buy A's capital account 2,40,000. Then B is taken over by the investment. So at 120%. So you have to calculate the investment is given in the question. That is there 1,50,000. Then you have to take the amount 120% of 1,50,000. That will be 1,80,000, which is taken over by B. That is given in the question. That is why on the credit side by B's capital account 1,80,000. If any partner taken over the asset or liability, if he will take the asset, then he will show on the relation account credit side. If he will take the liability, then you have to show on the relation account debit side here. Now assets have been realized. Debtor realized 20% less of the amount due from them. So 20% less value you have to taken 1,80,000. You have to calculate 20% of 1,80,000, and then you have to deduct 20% of 1,80,000 is 36,000, and here you have to deduct 30,000 minus 1,80,000. Then you will get the debtors 1,44,000. That is by bank account 1,44,000. Entry will be bank account debit to realization account. No information regarding the stock is given in the asset side. So we will forget the stock. We will not show any amount because we will consider here that no amount has been realized from the stock. So stock amount will be only on the debit side of realization account. No amount regarding stock will be go to the credit side of realization account because nothing has been said. But in the case of liability, sundry creditors that has been paid, definitely that is given. That is also given in the question. But suppose if it is not given in the question regarding sundry creditors is to be paid off, even then we have to pay off the liability. So for sundry creditor you have to show to bank account. Sundry creditor were paid off giving them the stock at 75% of the book value and the balance in the cash. Sundry creditors given as 10,000, and sundry creditors were paid off by giving the stock at 75% of the book value. So 75% of the stock has been given to the creditors for paying off. So you have to calculate 75% of the stock here, and 75 stock is given in the question, that is 2 lakh. 75% of 2 lakh is, that is 1,50,000. Then you have to deduct 2,10,000 creditors minus 1,50,000. This is the value of stock that has been given to the creditor. Then the remaining 60,000, that is the balance is to be in cash. So you have to show only the 60,000 amount which is to be paid to the creditor. Only the cash amount which you have given to the creditor, that is to be shown over there. But if the creditor has been given the stock, no entry for that. Means if you have given the 75% of the 75% value of the creditors with the stock, क्राइटर्स को आपने क्या किया, 75% वैल्यू जो क्राइटर्स की थी वो आपने उस क्राइटर्स को स्टॉक दे के ख़त्म कर दी, और बाकी 25% जो था अमाउंट था, दैट वाज 60,000 जो आपने उसको कैश में पे किया. तो जो आपने उसको कैश में पे किया उसकी एंट्री करोगे, और जो आपने उसको स्टॉक ट्रांसफ़र किया है जितने रुपए का भी, उसकी यहाँ पर कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी. इफ़ एनी एसेट और लायबिलिटी हैज़ बीन दैट हैज़ बीन कह सकते हो सेट ऑफ बाय ईच अदर. लाइकवाइज इफ क्राइटर्स हैज़ टेकन द स्टॉक और द any liability has set off with the asset, then the entry with no entry of that will be in the realization account. Now for expenses to bank account, realization expenses 1,000. Interest on age loan I have told you. Now there is a loss on realization account to like 10,000, that is to be distributed among A and B. This is the partners capital account A and B. You have to show the capital account by balance BD 4 lakh and 2,50,000. General reserve is to be distributed 60,000 and 30,000. Here you have to show because A is the taken over plant and machinery, so to relation account 2,40,000, and B is taken over asset investment, so to relation account 1,80,000. Now B's loan has been transferred over there, that I have discussed. Now this is a loss from the relation account that is to be transferred to A and B, that is 1,40,000 and 70,000 coming from there. Now you have to make out the balance by adding up the credit and deducting debit side. You will get the 80,000 for A and 10,000 for B. So entry will be A's capital account, B's capital account debit to bank account. There A and B has been paid off with 80,000 and 10,000. Definitely with bank account. There you have to prepare the bank account with the opening balance that is given in the question 60,000. There the relation account, this is the asset realized 1,44,000, and here A's capital account has been paid with 10,000, and B's capital account 10,000. Then A's capital account 80,000. A's loan account has been paid for 53,000. 50,000 plus 3,000 interest. And then by relation account 61,000. This is 61,000 is showing the payment for creditors, and then relation expenses both are all together. You can show separately also. By relation account bracket you can write creditors, and by relation account 1,000 in bracket you can write relation expenses account. There you can write the creditors plus realization expense. And this is the amount which has been realized from the that is the debtors. You can show it in the bracket, and there now the things are clear. This is the bank account. You will the total always match with the bank account 2,04,000 and 2,04,000, which shows that you are going right. If you are cross checking the question with the amount of with this amount.